Hello everyone, first we're gonna take some hair and joining them at the back, then making a low ponytail, after that folding it out into inwards direction and then adding this butterfly clutcher for securing it. Next we're gonna take some hair, dividing them into two, folding them to the opposite direction, and then we're gonna take the excess hair and then adjusting them in our bun only, then adding this beautiful clip for securing the hair and giving it a better look. Next, we're gonna take this braid and then we're gonna fold it out by using rubber bands and converting it into a simple round shape bun. And now you can even modify it as per your choice. Here we have added this beautiful marble clutcher for embracing its look. Next, we are going to take some hair at one side and then tying it with rubber band, folding them once, and then we're going to start taking hair strands from one side and then passing it to the other like this. We're going to take 3 hair strands for this, and then we're going to take the remaining hair and making a braid and adjusting it at the top only. After that, you can add any clip or clutches you want for enhancing its look. Here we have added some pins and this beautiful clips at the end, and it is ready. Next, we're gonna take some hair, making a low ponytail and then adding a rubber band by taking some of the hair from it. Then we're gonna fold the rest out into a voluminous bun and adding this beautiful flower clip. Next, we're gonna take a low ponytail, then we're gonna fold it out into inwards direction and then adding this butterfly clip. Next, we're going to take some hair, tying them at the back, taking some more hair and again doing the same step, folding them once, and then we're going to repeat this step once more, and now making the braid by dividing the hair into 3 and adding a rubber band at the last. Now you can add any accessories as per your choice. We're going to convert the braid into a bun and adding this butterfly pin for enhancing its look. Next, we're going to take some hair at the back, adding a rubber band. Then we're going to take the remaining hair, making a low ponytail, adding 2 rubber bands, and then we're going to fold it out into a bun. At the last, adding this clip, and now you can see your hairstyle is ready and looks so beautiful. Next, we're going to take some hair at the back and then adding a rubber band. Then to the remaining hair, we're going to make 3 braids and then joining them together for the folding them out into a bun and adding this beautiful clip which has butterflies on it. Next, we're going to start taking this pony, folding it out once, and then we're going to convert it into a puffed bun and adding this marble clip, and now you can see your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching.